Hi everybody, welcome. This is Caitlin, and this is our product control valve. If you want to know about this one, please follow me. VCA anti-rust bag, the label, Shumatt logo. If you want to print it with your own logo, contact us. Logo, label, packaging bag, and so on. Product code F00VC01344. Application model number 045110276 045110244. QR code. The inside parts, 2 cans of packages. Today I will talk about this one. The oil paper. This is a whole side. We also sell in separate parts. Valve cap with coating and cover letters. Valve roll, different lengths, different size. If you want other sizes, contact us. Okay, that's all the details we want to share with you. And if you're not familiar with the products and the product code, we can help you to check it. And 3 takes, the first take, clean it with oil. And make sure the valve cap in the right position. Make sure the valve roll can be moved smoothly. Okay, that's all. Thank you. And so much for today's product introduction. Thank you for your watching. See you next time. Bye bye. Love you guys. Bye bye.